Before you begin, I want you to know exactly what this recording is about. This is a gentle, guided relaxation created to help you reconnect with your body, your sensuality, and the pleasure of simply being present in yourself. I'm a qualified hypnotherapist, and you will remain completely aware and in control throughout. If at any point you feel uncomfortable, simply open your eyes and stop listening. Now, if you're somewhere quiet and comfortable, let's begin. When you're ready to use the recording for relaxation, find somewhere private and peaceful where you won't be disturbed for at least 10 minutes. You may listen on your own or with your partner if that feels comfortable for you. When you're ready, make yourself comfortable, perhaps lying down or sitting somewhere supportive, and take a slow, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, allow your body to begin releasing any tension you may be carrying. Take another slow breath in, and as you breathe out, allow yourself to relax a little more. You have nowhere else to be right now, nothing else you need to do. This is your time. Begin at the very top of your head. Notice the muscles across your forehead. Perhaps they have been holding tension without you even realizing it. Allow those muscles to soften now. Let your forehead become smooth and relaxed. Now bring your attention to your eyes. Allow the muscles around your eyes to soften. You may gently close your eyes, and if it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to rest slightly upward. There's nothing you need to look at, nothing you need to see. Just rest. Move your attention now to your jaw. Notice if you've been clenching your teeth or holding tension there. And as you breathe out, allow your jaw to loosen. Let your mouth and your face soften. Bring your attention down to the back of your neck and your shoulders. These are places where we often carry the weight of our day. So allow your shoulders to drop down. Let them become heavy. Let them sink down into the surface supporting you. You don't have to carry anything right now. Let it go. Allow that feeling of relaxation to move slowly down through your back. Notice the tiny muscles around your spine beginning to soften. You don't have to make them relax. Simply allow them to. Now bring your attention to your chest. Take another slow, comfortable breath in, and as you breathe out, allow your chest to soften. Let your breathing become natural and easy. Allow that relaxation to move down into your abdomen. This is another place where we can hold such tension without even realizing it. Let your stomach soften. Let your tummy be exactly as it is. There's nothing you need to hold in, nothing you need to change. Simply allow yourself to relax. Now bring your attention to your arms. Allow them to become heavy and relaxed as they rest beside you. Feel that heaviness moving down through your upper arms, your forearms, your wrists, and into your hands. Your fingers have become loose and relaxed. And now bring your attention to your legs. Allow your thighs to become heavy, your knees to soften, your calves to relax. Allow that feeling to move all the way down into your ankles, your feet and your toes. And now your whole body has permission to relax. You may notice sounds around you. You may hear something outside, or perhaps something happening in another room. That's perfectly fine. You don't have to fight those sounds. Simply allow them to be there while you continue listening to the sound of my voice. And now, as your body becomes quieter, allow your mind to become quieter too. Whatever happened earlier today can wait. Whatever needs to happen later can also wait. For these few moments, this time belongs entirely to you. And now I'd like you to begin thinking about something that perhaps you haven't given yourself permission to think about for a long time. Your need for affection. Your need for closeness. Your need to feel loved, wanted, cherished, and connected. Getting older does not take those needs away. There's no particular age at which we stop needing affection. There's no birthday at which we suddenly become less deserving of love. Imagine being held by someone who knows you, someone who has seen your body change and who loves you anyway. Or perhaps loves you because of the life you have shared together. Imagine that feeling of safety. Imagine feeling accepted. Imagine being able to relax completely in the presence of someone who cares for you. There's no performance required. You don't have to look a certain way. You don't have to behave a certain way. You simply have to be yourself. And if you have concerns about intimacy, perhaps because of embarrassment, insecurity, past experiences, changes in your body, and there's certainly no age at which our bodies become unworthy of being loved. Your body has carried you through a lifetime. Think about everything it has experienced. Perhaps it has carried children. Perhaps it has gained or lost weight. Perhaps it is changed through illness, stress, surgery, motherhood, or simply the natural process of growing older. Those changes are not failures. They are evidence of a life lived. So if there is a part of your body that you have been judging harshly, take a moment now to look at it. Let's look at it differently, not with criticism, with kindness. Perhaps place your hand gently over that part of your body, if that feels comfortable, and silently say to yourself, I accept my body, I respect my body, and I am grateful for my body. My body has carried me through my life. I love and honor my body. Again, Let's repeat. I love and honor my body. And just once more, slowly and gently. I love and honor my body. You don't have to believe every word immediately. Simply allow the words to become familiar. Because you are learning to look at yourself with kindness rather than criticism, and as you begin to accept yourself more fully, you may also begin to understand something very important. You are still capable of feeling warmth. You are still capable of affection. You are still capable of desire. You are still capable of intimacy. And intimacy doesn't have to look the way it did when you were 20 or 30. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's relationship. It belongs to you. It can be gentle. It can be playful. It can be affectionate. It can be deeply emotional. It can be a kiss, a cuddle, holding hands, lying close together, or simply feeling safe in the arms of someone you love. And if you have a partner, perhaps you can begin to allow yourself to imagine what it would feel like to become close again. Not with pressure, not with expectations, simply with tenderness. And when you feel ready to allow sexual intimacy back into your relationship, remember that there's no timetable and no performance you have to achieve. Take your time. Allow the closeness to begin with a touch, a kiss, a long embrace, or simply lying beside someone that you love. Notice the warmth of their body, the comfort of their touch, and the feelings that begin to awaken within you. You don't have to rush towards intercourse. Let your body have time to respond. Allow yourself to enjoy being touched and to communicate what feels good and what doesn't. Remember, your pleasure matters too. You are allowed to say what you want, what you don't want, and what you need. If intercourse is something you both want, approach it gently and without pressure. Your body may respond differently now than it did years ago, and that's perfectly normal. Take more time. Use lubrication if needed, and remember that intimacy is not a test you have to pass. There's no right way to make love at this stage of your life. Dryness or discomfort? Remember that there's no need to rush. You can communicate. You can take your time. You can ask for gentleness. And you can stop whenever you wish. And if physical pain or persistent discomfort is a concern, please speak with an appropriate healthcare professional. Looking after yourself is part of loving yourself. Perhaps there's a conversation you've been avoiding with your partner. There is only the way that feels loving, comfortable, and right for the two of you. And if you discover that your body still responds with warmth, excitement, and desire, allow yourself to enjoy that feeling. You haven't lost that part of yourself. She is still there. You are still there. Maybe you've been embarrassed too embarrassed to say, "I miss being close to you." Maybe you've worried about how they will react. Now imagine yourself finding the courage to begin that conversation gently. You don't need perfect words. You only need honesty. You might simply say, "I'd like us to feel close again." And perhaps that one sentence could open a door that's been closed for longer than either of you realized. You may discover that your partner has been feeling exactly the same way. And remember, intimacy doesn't have to return all at once. It can begin with a hug that lasts just a little bit longer. Maybe a kiss, holding hands, or just sitting close together. Maybe telling each other, "I love you." Letting affection return naturally without pressure or expectation. So take one more slow, deep breath in, and as you breathe out, allow all of those thoughts to settle gently within you. You don't have to do anything with them right now. Just allow them to be there. And when you're ready, begin bringing your awareness back to the room around you. Notice the surface supporting your body. Notice the sounds around you. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Take another comfortable breath. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this feeling of calm with you, and remember this one simple message. You are not too old for love. You are not too old for affection. You are not too old for intimacy, and you are never too old to learn to love yourself a little more. I wish you peace, comfort, confidence, and above all, the freedom to embrace every beautiful part of the life you still have ahead of you.